Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Zone, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the top eReader 2025? Here are my full reviews of the top eReader 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Tune till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Kobo Libra Colour. The Kobo Libra Colour is Kobo's first color e-ink e-reader, launched April 2024 alongside a sixth sibling, the Clara Colour, and I've always been a fan of Kobo's Libra range because of the page-turn buttons and relative affordability, but I couldn't be happier with the Libra Colour. While I was initially disappointed by the dated design, Kobo has done a very good job of optimizing the e-ink Kaleido 3 screen to make sure reading in both color or black and white is as good. Number 2. Kobo Elipsa 2e. The Elipsa 2e is Kobo's upgraded 10.3 EI and NK e-note, combining e-reading with advanced digital note-taking. I used Kobo's original jumbo e-reader, the 10.3-inch Elipsa, and now Kobo has a new, slightly upgraded version of that model called the Elipsa 2e. The previous model came with a cover and stylus as part of an Elipsa pack. You can still buy it for $350, but now you get the new stylus too and have to buy a cover separately. The screen is pretty sharp and easy to read with an e-ink Carta 1200 touchscreen with a density of 227 ppi and a dark mode. The Scribe has a sharper 300 ppi screen. You get Kobo's upgraded Comfort Light Pro with adjustable brightness and color temperature and a 2 GHz, up from 1.8 GHz, quad-core processor with 32 GB of storage. Even with the slight speed boost, an e-ink device like this still feels relatively sluggish. Number 3. Boox Go Color 7. The Go Color 7 is a 7-color e-ink reader launched in 2024, Gen I, and refreshed with Android 13 as the Gen 2 version in early 2025. It brings the flexibility and ecosystem access of Android into a slim, portable e-ink form factor with color capabilities. And the Go Color 7 runs on a fork of Android 12, which allows it to act more like a tablet than a conventional e-reader. Number 4. Amazon Kindle 2024. The 2024 Kindle is the latest entry-level e-reader from Amazon, part of the 11th generation lineup announced in October 2024. It's designed to be the lightest, most compact Kindle, available in classic black and new matcha green color variants, and there are a lot of Kindles. At least more than you think. When someone mentions the Amazon Kindle, you might think they're referring to that one really great e-reader from Amazon. Until you log on and discover there are 4 different Kindles. We've raved plenty about the Kindle Paperwhite, but it's time to go back to basics and discuss Amazon's base model, the regular old Kindle. It's hard to distinguish the standard Amazon Kindle from the pack since it doesn't get a fancy name like the Paperwhite or Scribe to differentiate. Number 5. Onyx Books Go 10.3. The Go 10.3 is Onyx's ultra-slim 10.3 e-ink note-taking slate, launched in mid-2024. It blends sleek hardware and Android flexibility, offering Google Play support in a minimalist, paper-like design, and you might be wondering why the Remarkable 2 or the Remarkable Paper Pro isn't being listed as the best writing e-paper tablet, but their limited functionality precludes them when you can get more from the Boox Go 10.3. This alternative from Onyx looks remarkably like a Remarkable, but it's a lot more versatile. Running Android 12, you get full access to the Google Play Store, which means you can download any useful app you might need, even other note-taking apps.